How to transfer SIGN token from Binance to Bitget. Now, first of all, we need to get to withdrawal address of SIGN token from our Bitget account. Now, first of all, open your Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now, to do that, tap on Assets. And now from the top bar, as you can see, select the spot, as you can see. Now here, tap on Add Funds. And as you can see here, click on Deposit Crypto. Now in the search bar, just type SIGN like that. So after you find your token, now just click on it. And as you can see here, select the network. I prefer to select the Binance Smart Chain BIP20, select it. Now, as you can see, you can copy the withdrawal address of your token and go back and open your Binance app. Now make sure to log into your account and tap on Assets. Select the spot from the top bar and click on Withdraw. Now here in the search bar, type SIGN like that. So after you find your token, now just click on it. Now here, click on Send via Crypto Network. And now before paste the address, now select the network. You can select it, or you need to select it as you selected before on the Bitget. In this case, it will be BNB Smart Chain. Now in the address, you can provide the address that you copied from your Bitget account, and the amount, you can type the amount that you want to transfer like that. And here you can type withdraw. In about a few seconds, a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bitget. So this is how to transfer SIGN token from Binance to Bitget. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.